time to put together another box for the Silva challenge. This time it's for the third participant. It's Brandon over at BJ's Customs. I have some different tubs of stuff that I'm working from this time, so yeah, don't ask how I ended up with all this stuff. This truck looks pretty trippy. It's a Hot Wheels. But man, he could do some kind of war rig out of that. So that, yeah, that'll fit. I don't think I want to load him up with a lot of trucks. So maybe I'll just leave that at that. Move that out of the way. Let's see. Oh, here's some more trucks. Huh. It's a Matchbox Kenworth. I think I want to do something with that. I mean, set that aside. Okay, set that one aside. Let's see. There has to be one of those in every box, right? I think we need some kind of rule on that. That one obviously is held together with tape. It's like a Ghostbusters kind of thing. Huh. Amazing Spider-Man. That's a Johnny Lightning casting. Oops. There's something with a gun on it already. It's DC Comics Hot Wheels. That'll work in there. Yeah, it's funny going through these boxes. I have junk in here that I don't even remember seeing. That when I see them, it's like, oh, I better set that aside. I want to work on that. And Lord knows it probably never will. 55 Chevy sedan delivery. Studs. There you go. You know that's going to survive post-apocalyptically into the future. I can't do two of those now. Even I'm not that cruel. Okay, you know better than that. I am that cruel, but I won't be this time. Let's see, what else? What do we have in here? That looks familiar. That's kind of cool. A majorette. I don't know that I've built a majorette. I better hang on to that one. I've got a chunk falling all around here. That's pretty cool. Six-time NBA Finals MVP Michael Jordan. Why not? Why not? I'm trying to find something weird to throw in here. Something really... A Matchbox Caterpillar D8. Maybe that's the weird thing that'll make the build. Some kind of Batmobile. Huh. Honestly, I'm kind of at a loss on this one for some reason. Yeesh. Dear Lord, what's that even supposed to... Oh, it's like a dinosaur kind of thing. Sure. God help you, Brandon. I don't know how this one's gonna go. I think that's a cool starting point, though, with that as kind of a war rig or something like that. Nothing like the back end of a Porsche. Put that in there. junk do I have in here? Some tanks. Ladders. Blower. Horns. I guess to announce the attack. Front grill off a truck. Oh, yeah, front grill off a truck. 3D printed tanks. I just got all kinds of junk. That's part of the problem. So I've got way too much junk. There's an engine. Okay. Let's throw in some more stuff here. Getting all sides out here. Let's see what we got. Throw in some wheels. Try and make sure they all match. Throw in some wheels. Don't know if he wants to go really big on that truck or not, if he goes that direction. But I'll throw in some big 3D printed wheels. A front ram kind of thing. A little bit smaller one. Yeah, some stuff for the front. Couple more engines. Random tanks. You'll see these on my K7 build coming up for the 3 Blind Mice, Winter in the Wasteland. A couple pellets. What am I missing on here? Seems like I'm missing something. What would that be? Let's see. Yeah, guns. Throw guns in here, random guns, random chunks of guns, random size seats, rocket launchers. That rocket launcher you're also going to see coming up on my K7 build. That's Sable Badger. Design those. I almost used these rockets on the K7 build, but I didn't. And what else? I think I put jerry cans last time, so might as well throw some jerry cans on this one. Yeah. Some little figures. Yeah, that'll work. I know it seems a little light, doesn't it? Seems a little light. Oh, there we go. That's kind of snazzy. Invader. Yeah, that'll work. I got room for some more stuff in here. Studebaker Starliner. Maystow. That'll work in there. Wow, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to. I want to work on that myself. That's an old fire chief, but it doesn't say Ford number 1016. I'm not sure who makes that. Set that aside. This is as much finding stuff for me to do as it is finding stuff for him to do. How about another diaper dragger? I think I put that in one of the earlier boxes too. Okay. I think that's, yeah, that's pretty well situated. Okay, Brandon. BJ's Customs, that's going to be the box heading your way. I may throw, oh heck, Let me throw some other wheels and tires in there that you can always use. I don't know, around as filler. Throw them on the body as like spare tire kind of thing. What else? How about apart from a VW? Middle section off a VW. A Volkswagen. I cut that out. Lord knows why I cut that chunk out of a VW. What that build was. But it is what it is. Yeah, you hear me rummaging through stuff. It's because I've got too much junk sitting around. Oh, look, another engine. Okay. There you go. That's the box. Enjoy.